Yes. Yes, students, I would like to invite Arun sir to start the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, students. Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. Hope you have done your exams well. Now you are entering into competitive phase of exams. బాగా రాస్తారు అనుకుంటే ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా అయిపోయింది కదా, టిఎస్డబ్ల్యూఆర్ సిఓఈ సెట్. దాని రిజల్ట్ కూడా వచ్చింది. Quite many students have got the result, have qualified. We are happy for that. We appreciate the students who have qualified. Now there are 3 more exams remaining, students. TSRJC, MJP, and PolySet. So these 3 are competitive exams itself, same as TSWR. Now, ఇప్పుడు వరకు మీరు ఎలాంటి ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాస్తారంటే ఫార్మాటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, సబ్జెక్టివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, అసెస్మెంట్ అలాంటి ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాశారు మీరు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఎలాంటి రాస్తున్నారంటే కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. రెండింటి మధ్యలో చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ద వే యూ అటాక్ అ ప్రాబ్లమ్, ద వే యూ అటాక్ ది ఎగ్జామ్ చాలా డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒక్క తప్పు జరిగితే మీ ర్యాంక్ చాలా వెనుకబడిపోతుంది. సో యువర్ ర్యాంక్ will be affected badly even if you commit a mistake. That doesn't happen in your formative and subjective exams in school. So now these competitive exams decide what colleges you get and finally what jobs you land into. So for your whole of your career, these are the exams which are going to decide. These are going to do life deciding exams, like very, very important exams for your career itself. So you still have, for intermediate and polytechnic exams, you have TSWR CET set finished. We have got TSRJC set upcoming, MJP RJC set. Still, there is a last date to apply. And then PolySet. You still have time to apply for these 2 exams, MJP and PolySet. And for all the exams, the syllabus is your 10th class syllabus itself. So whatever you have learned, the only thing is the way you attempt the exam will be different. Knowledge same untundi, kani the way you attack the problem will be different. For all through these exams, we are there with you. We'll guide you how to the skill develop cheyadaniki mem untamu. Skill required for competitive exams is very much different from skills for school exams. So we are here to guide you through all these exams, upcoming 3 exams. So don't worry about it, but we'll together face the exams. I request madam to explain certain things.
Yes, sir. Yes, students, మీ అందరూ ఇప్పుడు 10th క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది, ఎగ్జామ్స్ అంతా కూడా బాగా రాశారని అనుకుంటున్నాము. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు వచ్చేసి ఇప్పుడు 10th వరకు మీరు ఎట్లా అంటే సమ్మేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్, నార్మల్ ఫార్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్స్ ఇవే రాశారు స్కూల్ లెవెల్ వరకే, అండ్ కంప్లీట్లీ థియరిటికల్. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు కొత్తగా కాంపిటేటివ్ వరల్డ్ లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నారు, రైట్? ఆఫ్టర్ 10th ఇట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్లీ అ కాంపిటేటివ్ వరల్డ్. ఓకే, సో మీకు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అనేవి చాలా ఉంటాయి, ఇప్పటి నుంచే స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. లైక్ ఇప్పుడు జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ లో చదవడానికి, ఇంటర్ చదవడానికి కూడా ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకు ఫస్ట్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అనేవి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ మీకు మంచి మార్క్స్ వస్తే మంచి కాలేజ్ లో సీట్ వస్తుంది. మంచి కాలేజ్ లో సీట్ వస్తే జాబ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ కూడా బాగుంటాయి, మీ ఫ్యూచర్ కూడా బాగుంటుంది. సో మనకు మంచి కాలేజ్ లో రావాలి అంటే మనం చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి మంచిగా మనం నేర్చుకున్న థియరిటికల్ పార్ట్ అంతా ప్రాబ్లమాటిక్ లో అప్లై చేసి చేయగలగాలి, రైట్? దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ద కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఆర్. సో మీరు మంచి కాలేజెస్ లో వెళ్ళాలి అంటే దానికి ఖచ్చితంగా ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి, దాంట్లో మీరు క్వాలిఫై అవ్వాలి. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి అని అంటే 10th తర్వాత యూ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ అండ్ పాలిటెక్నిక్. సో ఫర్ దిస్ 2 ఈ రెండిటికి మీకు ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఉంటాయి అనమాట. సో ఫస్ట్ ఒక ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఆల్రెడీ అయిపోయింది, దానికి మేము కోచింగ్ ఇవ్వడం కూడా జరిగింది. సో TSWR COE సెట్, తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ వెల్ఫేర్ రెసిడెన్షియల్, రైట్? జూనియర్ కాలేజెస్ కి ఇది కూడా, ఇది February 2024 లో అయిపోయింది. ఫిబ్రవరిలో ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జామ్ అయిపోయింది. కొంతమంది ఎగ్జామ్ రాశారు అండ్ కొంతమంది సెలెక్ట్ కూడా అయ్యారు. దీంట్లో కొంచెం నెగిటివ్ మార్కింగ్ ఉండింది కాబట్టి చాలా తక్కువ మంది సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యారు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ఇప్పుడు అప్కమింగ్ ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చేసి TSRJC రెసిడెన్షియల్ జూనియర్ కాలేజెస్ ఓవర్ తెలంగాణ స్టేట్, రైట్? సో దీనికి కామన్ ఎంట్రన్స్ టెస్ట్ కి మనము ఇప్పుడు మేము ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ తరఫున మీకు కోచింగ్ ఇస్తున్నాము. సో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి కూడా చెప్పండి, అండ్ అప్లై ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ అప్లై చేశారని అనుకుంటున్నాము. సో అది ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చేసి 21st ఏప్రిల్ ఉంది దిస్ మంత్, రైట్? సో దిస్ మంత్ ఆన్ 21st you will be having TSRJC CET. So please concentrate. And next coming to MJP RJC CET. MJP is nothing but Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. ఓకే, మహాత్మా జ్యోతిబా పూలే వాళ్ళు కూడా రెసిడెన్షియల్ జూనియర్ కాలేజెస్ కి ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ చదవడానికి. సో దానికి ఇంకా లాస్ట్ డేట్ ఉంది అప్లై చేసుకోవడానికి. ఎవరన్నా అప్లై చేసుకోకపోతే అప్లై చేసుకోండి. 12th April is the last date to apply and you will be having exam on 28th April. 28th April na MJP RJC సెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి పాలీసెట్. సో పాలీసెట్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ పాలిటెక్నిక్ ఫీల్డ్. ఓకే, సో సివిల్, మెకానికల్ ఇటువైపు వెళ్ళాలనుకున్న వాళ్ళు కంప్లీట్లీ అండ్ టెక్నికల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్, రైట్? ఇంజనీరింగ్ కి సంబంధించిన సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అన్ని పాలిటెక్నిక్ లో చదువుతారు మీరు. సో పాలీసెట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఆన్ 25th May 25th. Sorry students, May 25th na మీకు పాలీసెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది. అండ్ లాస్ట్ డేట్ టు అప్లై ఈస్ 22nd April. సో 22nd April కి లాస్ట్ డేట్ అప్లై చేయడానికి. ఎవరైనా అప్లై చేయని వాళ్ళు ఉంటే దీనికి కూడా అప్లై చేసుకోండి, రైట్? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ సిలబస్ వచ్చేసి ఈ అన్ని ఎగ్జామ్స్ కి కామన్ గా సిలబస్ వచ్చేసి మీ 10th క్లాస్ సిలబస్ అంతే. ఓకే, మీ 10th క్లాస్ సిలబస్ మీరు థరోగా ఉన్నారు అంటే యూ కెన్ డూ దిస్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. అండ్ కొంచెం హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయండి. ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ నుంచి మేము ఇచ్చే కోచింగ్ ని కూడా ఒక్కరోజు కూడా మిస్ అవ్వకుండా అటెండ్ అయ్యి తర్వాత ప్రాక్టీస్ కూడా చేసుకోండి. ఎస్ సార్, యూ కెన్ కంటిన్యూ సార్.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
సో స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇప్పుడు మీరు కొంతమంది డిసైడ్ చేసే ఉంటారు ఎంపీసీ తీసుకోవాలా, బైపీసీ తీసుకోవాలా, లేకపోతే ఆర్ట్స్ తీసుకోవాలా, సిఈసీ తీసుకోవాలా, సైన్సెస్ ఆర్ ఆర్ట్స్ డిసైడ్ చేసే ఉంటారు. బట్ స్టిల్ some students will be in a confusion which to choose, and what you choose is going to decide your life, career in your life. Whole of your career depends on the choice you make now. So we will, in these sessions, in this April session, second phase of our session, we'll help you decide, we'll help you guide you to choose depending on your interests. And we are there with you throughout the exams, on all 3 exams. So please attend every day so that you get the guidance. We'll also cover the concepts. We'll also do some problems as a revision so that you are well prepared for the exams. Are you all ready, students? Please type yes in the chat box. Good. Lot of yes. Yeah, energy is high. Good. All right, students. So let's begin with our session. Physics. Topic is reflection of light on curved surfaces. All right, students, there's a small correction. Polycet exam 25th కాదు 24th ఉంది, 24th of May. All right, so Polycet exam 25th కాదు, that's a error. Sorry for that. All right, that's a typing error. Sorry for that. 24th ఉంది, 25th కాకుండా 24th కి ఉంది. All right, make note of that. All right, students, let's get started. Let's move ahead. All right, now let us discuss some points. Important points in this chapter, reflection of light. Okay, now we have got a spherical mirror. A spherical mirror is a part of a sphere, which is a part of a sphere is called a spherical mirror. A spherical mirror of a sphere nunchi oka section తీసుకుంటే మనకి spherical mirror వస్తుంది. Let's say here the yellow part shaded, yellow line shaded here is a spherical mirror. This is the center of curvature. Center of the sphere is called center of curvature. All right. Now, ఈ లైన్స్ డ్రా చేశారు చూడండి. ఈ లైన్స్ మనం రిఫ్లెక్షన్ పెయింటెడ్ సర్ఫేస్ ని చూపించడానికి డ్రా చేస్తారు. Left side surface is reflective surface, right side is painted surface. All right. Now, the radius of the sphere is called the radius of curvature. A sphere of which this mirror is a part is called the radius of curvature. All right. I'm going a little faster because we got to cover a lot many things. If at all you want me to slow down, you please message in the chat box. This is very useful for polyset exam as well. Yes, it is useful. It is useful for polyset exam as well. Whatever we are doing is useful for all the 3 exams, upcoming 3 exams. All right, let's go ahead. C is the center of curvature. R is the radius of curvature. The point P, center of the mirror, is called pole of the mirror. And the line joining the center of curvature and pole is called the principal axis. So P and C. C is center of curvature, P is pole. The line joining C and P is called principal axis. Now let's look into the rules of ray diagrams. Now to create an image from the object, to trace an image of an object in front of the mirror, we have some rules of the ray diagrams. So here are the rules. A light ray parallel to principal axis incident on the mirror this way. When the light ray is parallel to the principal axis and the incident on the mirror gets reflected and passes through the principal focus. This way, yellow ray. The white ray is the initial ray, incident ray, and the yellow ray is the reflected ray. All right. And that point F, intersection of the reflected ray and the principal axis, is called focus, principal focus of the mirror. Now, if a light ray passes through focus and is incident on the mirror, now how will this be reflected? This will be reflected parallel to the principal axis. So the ray passes parallel to the axis. All right, let's go to the next one. If the ray is passing through the center of curvature and is incident on the mirror, how will this be reflected? This will retrace the path. So the reflected ray retraces the path. So that reflected ray will also pass through the center of curvature of the mirror. Now these 3 rays, there is another ray which is incident at the pole of the mirror. This gets reflected symmetrically with respect to principal axis. The ray is reflected in such a way that makes an angle with axis, and the incident ray makes same angle. Angle the incident ray makes with the all right. So incident ray A angle chestundi, same angle with the reflected ray will also make with the principal axis. So symmetric ఉంటుంది. Principal axis ki incident ray reflected ray symmetric ఉంటాయి. This angle if theta, if this is theta, this angle is also theta. We can use any of these rays to trace the image of an object. All right, let's see tracing. Now ray diagram to find the image of an object. Let's say the object is placed as shown. The yellow arrow is the object, extended object. I want to find where the image of this object will be found. So we use the 4 rays which you have explained just now. And trace the image. So we choose a ray parallel to the principal axis. That gets reflected through the focus. We choose another ray passing through the focus. That gets reflected through the principal axis. and here forms the image. The red color arrow, downward arrow is the image. So we get an inverted image between C and F. All right. When you mention the image, you should also mention the nature of the image. Is it real? Is it inverted? So we get a real image and inverted image between C and F. All right. So the real image is formed with the reflected light rays meet. So E2 rays మనకి image form చేయడానికి at least two rays కావాలి. So one ray is the first one which is parallel to the principal axis, the second ray which is passing to the focus. These two reflected rays will meet at a point where the image is formed. All right, now let's see if the object is placed closer to the center of curvature. Previously, the object was a little farther away from center of curvature. Now it is closer to the center of curvature. Now, where do you think it is formed? Let's see. I again choose rays discussed. So we choose a ray parallel to the principal axis. Now this ray gets reflected through the focus this way. I choose another ray which is passing through the focus. This ray gets reflected and passes parallel to the principal axis. This intersection will give me the image. All right. Now again, we have a real image, an inverted image, but now this image will be closer to the center of curvature than the previous case. As the object moves closer to the center of curvature, the image will also move closer to the center of curvature. Now we are moving further towards center of curvature, further closer. Again, we choose the first ray to be parallel to the principal axis this way. That gets reflected to the focus. We choose another ray passing to the focus. That gets reflected parallel to the principal axis. Again, the intersection will give me the image. As you can notice, the image is getting larger and also moving towards the center of curvature. So real image and inverted image is formed. You also observe that as the object is moving towards the mirror, the image is going away from the mirror. So object mirror ki closer vastunte, the image is going away from the mirror. Both are moving towards the center of curvature. If the object is moving towards the center of curvature, image is also moving towards the center of curvature. Now let's say the object is exactly at center of curvature. When this is the case, I'll again use the same rays. One ray parallel to the principal axis, reflected right ray passes to the focus. Another ray passing through the focus gets reflected and emerges parallel to the principal axis. Image is formed exactly at center of curvature and of the same size of the object, inverted. Okay. Now let's say the object is between center of curvature and focus. So we are moving towards the mirror. From far away from the mirror, we have moved the object closer to the mirror. Eventually, we have moved to the position between center of curvature and focus. Now let's see, again trace the ray diagram and see where the image would be formed. We choose a ray parallel to the principal axis this way, that passes to the focus this way. We choose a ray parallel passing to the focus that gets reflected and emerges as parallel to the principal axis. All right. Okay. Now, center, as I'm moving towards the center of curvature, see where the image is formed. image is formed beyond the center of curvature. Now I am between center of curvature and focus, between C and F, my image is formed beyond center of curvature. So as I'm moving towards the mirror, my image is moving away from the mirror. Yes, students, you're all right. Image is formed beyond the C. Yes. A real image is formed. And as I move towards the mirror, then mirror ki దగ్గర వెళ్తుంటే ఆ image ఏమో దూరం వెళ్తుంది. And as I'm between C and F, my image is between beyond C. It's inverted and larger than the object, as is evident from the ray diagram. Now let's say the object is at F exactly. Now what do you think happens, students? ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? We'll again do the same thing, same procedure చేస్తాము, follow అవుతాము. We choose a ray parallel to the principal axis, gets reflected and passes through focus. Now we choose a ray hitting the pole of the mirror. This way. We know that the reflected light will reflect symmetrically with respect to principal axis. This way. If this is theta, this angle is also theta. So the rays appear to meet at infinity. Hence, real, inverted, and enlarged, highly enlarged image is formed at infinity. All right. Let's go forward. Now the object is between F and P. ఇప్పుడు వరకు మనకి ఎలాంటి ఇమేజ్ వచ్చింది? రియల్ ఇమేజ్ వచ్చింది. Now when it is between F and P, let's see ఎలాంటి ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది. I'll again choose a ray parallel to the principal axis that gets reflected and passes through the focus. I'll choose another ray hitting the pole of the mirror. That gets reflected symmetrically with respect to principal axis. These rays get extended. When I extend these rays backwards, my image is formed behind the mirror, and which is virtual, erect, and behind the mirror. Behind the mirror and the virtual image. All right, so you observe చేస్తే మనకి అన్ని కేసెస్ రియల్ వస్తుంది. For a real object, అన్ని కేసెస్ లో రియల్ ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది. But only for the case between F and P, we get a virtual image. Virtual image only one case లో వస్తుంది. ఆ కేసు ఏంటంటే F నుంచి P మధ్యలో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటే మనకి ఇమేజ్ ఏమో వర్చువల్ వస్తుంది, behind the mirror and enlarged. All right, now let's see the convex mirror. In convex mirror, the inner surface of the sphere is painted. ఈ లైన్స్ చూపిస్తున్నారు చూడండి. That's a painted surface. Left side surface is a reflective surface. Okay. Now C is the center of curvature. P is the pole, which is center of the mirror. Line joining the P and C is nothing but principal axis. All right, now let's see. Now when a light ray parallel to the principal axis is incident on the mirror, let's see what happens. This way, this is a light ray incident on the mirror parallel to the principal axis. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? This gets reflect అయ్యి when I extend the ray, it appears to pass through focus. That's how it gets reflected. The ray is reflected such that it appears to come from a point called focus. Now, when a light ray is directed towards the center of curvature and is incident on the mirror, ఇలా డైరెక్ట్ చేశారు, center of curvature కి డైరెక్ట్ చేశారు. The ray is reflected such that it gets reflected, it retraces the path. Whenever center of curvature కి డైరెక్ట్ చేస్తాము లైట్ రే, ఆ లైట్ రే రివర్స్ అయిపోతుంది, పాత్ రివర్స్ అవుతుంది. this way. Yellow ray, see. White ray is the incident ray. Yellow ray is the reflected ray. So which is retracing the path. And this ray appears to come from a point called center of curvature. Now any two rays are sufficient for us to form the image. So these two rays are sufficient to find the image of an object at any point on the principal axis. So let's see a case. Here is a convex mirror, and here is the object. Okay. Now I'll choose a ray from the tip of the object and parallel to the principal axis as before, as done in concave mirror. ఇప్పుడు concave mirror లో ఎలా చేసాము సేమ్ చేస్తాము, but the two rays which we are choosing is two particular rays we are choosing. కానీ మెథడ్ ఏమో టూ రేస్ కావాలి మనకి. కాన్కేవ్ mirror లో ఎలా చేసాం, టూ రేస్ చేసుకొని సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఇక్కడ కూడా వాడతాం. So I have a ray parallel to the principal axis, gets reflected and appears to pass through focus when extended backwards. Now we choose a ray from tip of the object directed towards center of curvature. That will retrace the path. Now these two rays, when extended, when the rays appear to meet, when extended, they intersect at certain point. Image is found over there as red line, red arrow, dotted arrow. Now, because it's virtual, we need to draw it with a dotted line. Okay, it should be drawn as dotted line as it's a virtual image. All right. Now, ప్రస్తుతానికి మనకి ఈ కేసే ఉంది. రియల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కేసెస్ లో at 10th level, మనకి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ in front of a convex mirror, we have only one case. No matter where the object is kept, ఎక్కడ పెట్టినా మనకి వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మిర్రర్ కి ముంగట పెట్టినప్పుడు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎంత దూరం పెట్టినా మనకి రియల్ ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ కాదు రియల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కి. రియల్ ఇమేజ్ ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, ఏ కేసెస్ లో ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, అది అడ్వాన్స్ ఫిజిక్స్ లో చదువుకుంటారు మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లెవెల్లో. కానీ ప్రస్తుతానికి మనకి కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ తో వీల్ గెట్ అ వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ ఓన్లీ. All right, now let's attempt some questions. Now, as we do questions, we'll revise some points which are required for the problem-based questions attack చేసినప్పుడు ఆ problem కి సంబంధించిన points we'll revise. All right. Now let's see the first question, students. All right, now you can answer it in the chat box. Chat box is open. Question is here in front of you. All right, answers are now coming faster. Very good. Okay, according to sign convention, the distance which is measured in the direction of incident light to be taken as 1 is positive, 2 negative, 3 no sign, 4 any sign. All right, all of you have answered 1. I want even more answers, students. ఇంకా ఆన్సర్ చేయండి, అందరు అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి. అందరు అటెంప్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ డెవలప్ అవుతుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. Confidence matters a lot in the competitive exams. All right, 1, Shikesh 1, Rohini 1, Gayatri 1, Rajeshwari Ganesh 1, positive. All right, good. Good, students. Now let's go for the second question. So that's absolutely right. And the second question says, the rays coming from the source parallel to the principal axis of a concave mirror converge at a point. This point is called dash. Rays parallel వస్తున్నాయి, ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ కి parallel వస్తున్నాయి. ఆ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక పాయింట్ నుంచి వెళ్తాయి. ఆ పాయింట్ ని ఏమంటారు? ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ అంటారా, ఫోకస్ అంటారా, సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ అంటారా, పోల్ అంటారా? All right, everyone is right again. Good. Good students. You're all doing much better than whatever you have been doing before. Very good students. I'm getting all the right answers. Not even one is wrong. Very good. All right, that's focus. We have seen in the ray diagrams, okay, ray parallel to principal axis from the mirror when it gets reflected, it will pass to the focus of the mirror. In case of a plane mirror, the object distance is dash to image distance. ఒక ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ముంగట ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెడితే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నుంచి ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ కి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఇమేజ్ నుంచి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఈక్వల్ ఉంటుందా, లెసర్ ఆర్ గ్రేటర్, నన్ ఆఫ్ దీస్. Rishikesh says 1, Gazi says 1, Rohini says 1, Ganesh says 1. Okay, Rajeshwari says equal. Good, that's 1. Okay, I want everyone to attempt the question, students. Attempt చేయండి. Attempt చేయడంలో తప్పు ఏం లేదు. Okay, attempt చేస్తే ఎంత attempt చేస్తే మీకు అంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ వస్తుంది, students. Okay, I'm getting even more answers. Good. Okay, 1. All right, let's see the answer. Yes, it's absolutely right, 1. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ఇలా ఉంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఇమేజ్ కూడా అంతే దూరంలో ఉంటుంది. ఇమేజ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎంత దూరంలో ఉంది మిర్రర్ నుంచి అంతే దూరంలో ఇమేజ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. The magnification is always 1 for the following mirror: convex mirror, concave mirror, plane mirror, none of these. Right again. Everyone is right again. Shiva 3, Bhavesh, Priya, Gayatri, Rishikesh 3, everyone. Priya, Ganesh 3, Rohini 3. Rajeshwari says convex mirror. For convex mirror, we have seen the image is smaller than the object. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ఆలోచించండి, ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్, కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్, కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్. మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ 1. అంటే మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ 1 అంటే ఏంటి, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎంత సైజ్ ఉంటే ఇమేజ్ కూడా అంతే సైజ్ ఉండాలి. దట్ మీన్స్ మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ ఇస్ 1. ఇమేజ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్, length of the object and length of the image should be same. Height of the object and height of the image should be same. That's called magnification being 1. All right, so let's see the answer. It's plane mirror, students. Plane mirror ముంగట మీరు నిలబడితే మీ హైట్ ఎంత ఉంది అంతే హైట్ మీ ఇమేజ్ హైట్ కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. సో magnification is 1. But if you see in a convex mirror, the image will be smaller than the object. So అక్కడ magnification is less than 1. All right, next question. The height of image is double the size of the object. Its magnification is height of image double అన్నాడు. Height of the image is double the size of the object. Its magnification is. Attempt, students, attempt చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు వరకు అందరు కరెక్ట్ చెప్పారు. ఇంకా తప్పు వెళ్తే ఒక ఆన్సర్ తప్పు వెళ్ళింది, బట్ నో ప్రాబ్లం, కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ డెవలప్ అవుతుంది, కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ బిల్డ్ అవుతుంది. వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ క్లోజర్ టు ది ఎగ్జామ్. కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, స్టూడెంట్స్. ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ బిల్డ్ కావాలంటే మీరు చాలా అటెంప్ట్ చేయాలి, నంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేయాలి. Okay, Rishikesh says 4, Shiva says 4. See, height of the image is double the size of height of the object. What is magnification? Height of the image by height of the object. Let's see the answer, students. It's 2. Here is the working of the problem. Height of the object x అనుకుంటే height of the image 2x. ఎందుకంటే డబల్ ని అన్నారు. Height of the image double that of height of the object. Magnification ఏంటి, hi by ho. So m is equal to 2x by x, which is m is equal to 2. All right, students, is this clear, students? One or two students have gone wrong. Please correct yourself. That is okay. You still have time. We can get up. మీరు కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అయితే క్లియర్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పటి వరకు చేసిన ఆన్సర్స్ లో కాన్సెప్ట్స్ క్లియర్ అయినాయి మీకు. అప్పుడప్పుడు తప్పు అయితే let us correct ourselves. కరెక్ట్ చేసుకుందాము. All right, కానీ అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి, అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తే మీ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ డెవలప్ అవుతుంది. All right, students, I'll go for the next question. A person is standing in front of a plane mirror at a distance of 10 centimeters from the mirror. He walked 4 centimeters towards the mirror. The distance between object and image in the second case is. మీరు పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ తీసుకొని కూర్చోండి స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇది ఓరల్ క్వశ్చన్ కాదు, పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ కావాల్సి వస్తుంది. Distance between object and image, students. 2 అన్నారు, Gayatri says 2, Rohini says 2, Shiv says 2, Shiva, Rishikesh says 4. What is 6 centimeters? 6 centimeters ain't ikkada. It is the distance between object and mirror. But he is saying, what is the distance between object and image? Read the question carefully, students. Question లో కొంచెం ట్విస్ట్ ఉంటే మొత్తం సొల్యూషన్ రాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఆ సెంటెన్స్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ చదవండి. Distance between object and image in the second case is. Let's see the answer, students. It's 12. Here it's how it is. Okay, here it is. The solution goes like this. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ 10 centimeters దూరంలో మిర్రర్ నుంచి ఉండే, మధ్యలో లైన్ లాంగర్ లైన్ ఉంది కదా ఇక్కడ, దట్స్ మిర్రర్. 10 centimeters దూరంలో ఉండే 4 centimeters towards the mirror వాక్ చేశాడు. నౌ డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ మిర్రర్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 6 centimeters అవుతుంది. ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? 6 centimeters బిహైండ్ ద మిర్రర్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ 6 centimeters దూరంలో ఉంది మిర్రర్ నుంచి, సో ఇమేజ్ కూడా 6 centimeters దూరం ఉంటుంది, వెనక ఉంటుంది, బిహైండ్ ద మిర్రర్. So 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters is the distance between object and image. He is asking distance between object and image. You got the right point that 6 centimeters is the distance between image and mirror. Kani, em adutunnaru? He is asking distance between object and image, not image and mirror. Image and mirror 6 centimeters. Adi correct ochindi meeku. Kani carefully chavute em antunnaru? Object and image madhyalo distance adutunnaru. So object is a distance of 6 centimeters from mirror. Image is a distance of 6 centimeters behind the mirror. So total distance will be 6 plus 6, which is 12 centimeters. This is okay, students? Everyone tappellaru okay ani type cheyandi, yes ani type cheyandi, students, so that I get to know that you are all listening carefully and you are correcting yourself. All right, good. Shiva says yes, Gayatri says yes, Priya says yes, Rishikesh says yes, Bhavesh says yes. Good, students. I'm getting yes, so many yeses. Fine. Okay, let's go ahead. చూడు, ఇదంతా మీకోసం చేస్తున్నారు, మీ ఎగ్జామ్, మీ స్కిల్ డెవలప్ చేయడానికి చేస్తున్నారు. ఇలాంటి ఎగ్జామ్స్ మీరు స్కూల్లో రాయలేదు. ఆ ఫార్మాట్ వేరే ఉంటుంది, కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఫార్మాట్ వేరే ఉంటుంది. క్వశ్చన్ లో కొంచెం ట్విస్ట్ వస్తే, ఆ ట్విస్ట్ మిస్ చేస్తే మీ సొల్యూషన్ అంతా రాంగ్ అవుతుంది. కాన్సెప్ట్ వచ్చినా కూడా రాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది. మీ అందరికీ కాన్సెప్ట్ వచ్చు, కానీ తప్పు వెళ్ళింది, బికాస్ దట్ లాస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ వాజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Alright, let's go with the next question, students. An object is 24 centimeters away from a concave mirror and its image is 16 centimeters from the mirror. Find the focal length of the mirror. Object distance ichado, image distance ichado. He is asking focal length. So you have a formula for this. Apply the formula. Use the sign convention correctly. You'll get the focal length of the mirror. All right. So let's see the answers. Use pen and paper, students. Careful ga cheyandi, oral ga cheyakandi. Okay, numericals ni eppudu oral ga cheyoddu. You take time, take a minute, attack the problem carefully, come up with an answer. Saiteja says 1, which is 4.8 centimeters. Object distance 24 icharu. Image distance is 16 centimeters from the mirror. Okay, Rishikesh says 3. Okay, let's see the answer, students. 3 is absolutely right. She is absolutely right. Rishikesh, Rajeshwari, Saitija calculation ఒకసారి చూడండి మీరు ఒకసారి చూసి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి. Then I'll show this. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? Object distance is 24. Image distance is 16 centimeters. Focal length ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నారు. I'll use this formula. 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. I'll get f from here. Just substitute the values carefully. Do the calculations carefully. You'll get the right answer. All right. Okay. Let's see the next one. Find the nature of the image formed by an object placed at a distance of 15 centimeters from a concave mirror of a focal length 10 centimeters. ఇప్పుడు ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఆడుతున్నారు, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇచ్చారు, ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఇచ్చారు. ఐ యూజ్ ద సేమ్ ఫార్ములా అగైన్. ఈ ఫార్ములానే వాడతాను. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. But I'll do it carefully because it's competitive exam. తక్కువ పోతే ర్యాంక్ కిందకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay, go slow, go strong. You won't be wrong. Slow and take a minute. Solve the problem. Okay, this is still a conceptual problem itself. You can answer it logically. Real and inverted, okay. Find the nature of the image is saying. So nature of the image, for that you don't have to solve the problem. It's just a conceptual question. Okay, I'm getting answers now. Rishikesh is 2. Rohini 2. Bhavesh 2. Gayatri 2. Other students also please take part. Yes, good. Saiteja 2. Rajeshwari 2. Students, please take part. Don't be silent. Don't be passive learner. Be an active learner. The opportunity use చేసుకోండి students. ఇది మంచి ఆపర్చునిటీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నారు జెట్ సిఎస్. Take the advantage, take the best, make the best out of it, take the most advantage out of it. Okay, let's see the answer, students. Absolutely right. Not even one has gone wrong. Absolutely right. Here it is. See, one thing, object distance is 15, focal length is 10. So the image is between focal length and center of curvature. Center of curvature 20 ఉంటుంది. Right? So if the object is between C and F, where will the image be formed? Beyond C. అలా చెప్పేయచ్చు మనం. ఇది చేయడం కూడా అవసరం లేదు. జస్ట్ నేచర్ అడిగారు కదా, ఇది చేయడం కూడా అవసరం లేదు. ఎలా? ఫోకల్ లెంత్ 10 ఉంది, సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ 20 ఉంటుంది, 20 సెంటీమీటర్స్ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ 15 అంటే ఏంటి? 10 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఇంకా 20 సెంటీమీటర్స్ మధ్యలో ఉంది. ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఇంకా సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ మధ్యలో ఉంది. సి అండ్ ఎఫ్ మధ్యలో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటే ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? బియాండ్ సి ఫామ్ అవుతుంది అండ్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్, అండ్ దట్ ఇస్ రియల్. సో రియల్ అండ్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్. ఆల్ రైట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ లెంథియర్ మెథడ్. ఈ లాజికల్ గా ఆన్సర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఆల్ రైట్, లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఐ హోప్ యూ గాట్ ద లాజిక్ స్టూడెంట్స్. లాజిక్ అర్థమైందంటే ఎస్ అని టైప్ చేయండి స్టూడెంట్స్. ప్లీజ్ టైప్ yes in the chat box. Oh, Charan, hi. Bhavesh, yes, good. I'm getting yes. Good students, good. You're all following. To get image larger than the object, one can use one convex mirror, but not a concave mirror. A concave mirror, but not a convex mirror. Either convex mirror or a concave mirror, a plane mirror. I should get image larger than the object. మనం రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ చూసాము, ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది లార్జర్ దెన్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్. మీరు రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసి కూడా ఒకసారి చూసి చెప్పొచ్చు ఆన్సర్. సి, రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ ఆర్ ద క్రక్స్ ఆఫ్ ది రే ఆప్టిక్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ మిక్స్డ్ రెస్పాన్స్ దిస్ టైమ్, 3 and 2. కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ లో ఏమవుతుంది? చిన్నగా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ లో బిట్వీన్ ఎఫ్ అండ్ పి ఉంటే పెద్దగా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. Convex mirror, always magnification is less than 1. Plane mirror, always magnification is 1. I need magnification greater than 1. Okay. చూడండి, కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ కి మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ లెస్ దెన్ 1, ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ కి ఆల్వేస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 1 పాసిబిలిటీ దేంట్లో వస్తుంది? కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ లోనే వస్తుంది. ఏ కేసులో వస్తుంది? when the object is between F and P. Okay, if at all any doubts you have got, or you have got a confusion, we'll again revise certain parts which are confusing again throughout the session. Okay, so don't worry. If at all you are having any doubts or confusion in your mind, confusion unte bhayapadakandi. We'll again somehow cover all the whole of the syllabus, whole of the important points, confusing points. ఈ సెషన్ లో కవర్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఏప్రిల్ సెషన్ లో మనకి 20 days 28 days ఉన్నాయి. ప్లీజ్ అటెండ్ ఎవ్రీ డే, మీకు కవర్ అయిపోతుంది. ఆల్రైట్, just let us know what is confusing you. Alright, Shruti, we'll cover it up. Don't worry. Let's see the answer now. A concave mirror but not a convex mirror. Alright, ఇప్పుడే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను కదా. Yeah, 2 is absolutely right, students. Rohini, Rishikesh, Sai Teja, Rajeshwari, Rohini. The ones who have gone wrong, నేర్చుకోండి. Alright, we are going closer to the exam. Confidence is very important. Learning is very important. Mistakes ని కరెక్ట్ చేయడం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇప్పుడు మిస్టేక్స్ ని అలా వదిలేయకండి. Mistakes are very important. When you correct a mistake, you are going ahead. ఒక స్టెప్ ముంగట వెళ్తున్నారు మీరు. Let's go for the next question, students. If the magnification of a mirror is greater than 1, then the mirror is concave, convex, plane, none of the above. It cannot be none of the above. It has to be one of these three. Magnification is greater than 1, he says. Plane mirror ki 1, convex mirror ki less than 1, concave mirror ki greater than 1, when the object is between F and P. Virtual image వస్తుంది. When the object is between C and F, we'll have a real inverted and larger image, greater than 1. When the object is beyond C, then we have a magnification less than 1. Alright, so greater than 1 possibility, concave mirror lo undi. Convex mirror lo always less than 1, plane mirror lo equal to 1, always. Good, students. Now again, I've got all the right answers. Excellent. Priya, Spandana says 2, convex mirror. Correct yourself, Spandana, that's okay. Correct yourself. You correct yourself, you're going a step ahead towards the perfection. Charan, Shiva, Rishikesh, Gayatri, Ganesh, Rajeshwari, all have gone correct. Absolutely, you're all preparing well prepared to attack the problem, attack the paper. Very good, students. Let's see the answer now. Concave mirror, absolutely right. I really appreciate you all. Let's go for the next one. Focal plane of a spherical mirror is, focal plane definition of the line joining pole and focus of the mirror. Plane perpendicular to the principal axis at focus. Okay. Plane perpendicular at center of curvature. Plane parallel to the principal axis. What do you think is right, students? Punch in your answers. Send it in the chat box. Okay, I'm getting answers. Mixed response now. Okay. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఏ ఆప్టిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్ లో రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటే మీకు రే డయాగ్రామ్ రూల్స్ ఒకసారి చూసుకుంటే మీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది. చూడండి, he says focal plane. Focal plane అంటే ఏంటి? A plane passing through focus and perpendicular to the principal axis. This is the one, students. ఇది మిర్రర్ ఉంటే, కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ ఉంది అనుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ ఇలా ఉంటే ఫోకస్ ఇది ఉంది, ప్లేన్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ దిస్ ఫోకస్, ఇది ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్, ప్లేన్ పాసింగ్ దిస్ ఫోకస్ అండ్ perpendicular to the principal axis. This is called focal plane. Alright, students, this is called focal plane. ఇది మిర్రర్ అనుకుంటే, కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్, ఇది ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్, ఇది ఫోకస్, plane passing through the focus and perpendicular to the principal axis is called focal plane. Alright, yeah, 2 is absolutely right. Rajeshwari, Rohini, Gayatri, Priya. A couple of students have gone wrong. That's okay, students. కానీ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు ఈ స్టేజ్ లో మిస్టేక్ చేయడం తప్పు ఏం లేదు, కానీ కరెక్ట్ చేయడం ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోకుంటే మీరు వెనకబడిపోతారు. Let's go for the next one, students. When a set of parallel rays of light inclined at 15 degrees to the principal axis are incident on a convex lens. So we are entering into lenses now. Okay. So mirrors ఇప్పుడు మనం కవర్ చేసాము. మీకు magnification లో డౌట్ వస్తుంది అంటున్నారు. So what we'll do is we'll create another presentation for few important confusing points, so that your remaining doubts are also, confusions is cleared out, doubts are cleared out, confusion is eliminated. All right, I get it. Okay, so now I request madam to take over. Now we'll continue with mathematics, students. Stay with us. Mathematics continue చేస్తాము.
Thank you, sir. I request Gayatri madam to start the session.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Students, we'll again come back to your doubts tomorrow. Don't worry about it. We'll clarify your doubts tomorrow through another presentation. Thank you, students.
Yes, please wait, students.
Students have raised doubts. I get that. Magnification ఇంకా focal plane కొన్ని doubts వచ్చాయి మీకు. So we'll create another presentation. Tomorrow we're going to do optics again. మీకు ఏ డౌట్స్ వచ్చినా వాట్సాప్ లో పోస్ట్ చేసేయండి, so that we'll rectify those, and we'll make a presentation on those doubts. Okay, students, WhatsApp లో పోస్ట్ చేసేయండి.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Very good
Thank you,
evening,
ma'am.
children. Hope you all have done your exams very well. Let's quickly move on to mathematics. So today we are going to learn the set theory. All right. So you're all ready. Take your notebook, a pen or a pencil, so that you can work it out and give me your answers very quickly. And 45 seconds I'll be giving you to give me the answers for each questions. Yes, quickly put it in the chat box whether you all are ready. Let me hear from you. Yes. Yes, you all are ready. Okay, fine. Fine. Thank you, students. Let's quickly move on to the first question. Which of the following is true? All right, whether the null set is 0, or you can also call it as phi, n of phi is 0, or the third option, phi is equal to 0, or the fourth option, n of phi complement is 0. Yes, so you all would have done this. Quickly give me your answers in the chat box. Let me see how many is. Many have started giving me the answers. Srinivas, Rajeshwari. All right. So quickly others do answer, because your mathematics is equally important, isn't it? All right. So let's move on to the answer. It is option 2. Good to those who have answered. All right. See the next one. If A is equal to A, B, C, D, then number of subsets of A are option 1, 8, option 2, 12, option 3, 16, and option 4, 20. All right. So very simple. We have already done the subsets. So this would be a quick revision for you all. Your time is already started. Let's see how many are giving me the answers. I'll explain for one doubt that has been raised. You give me your answers quickly so that while giving you the answers, I'll explain. All right. Only 4 or 5. Yes, the answers are coming. Nikhil, Anand. All right. Yes. A set having n members has 2 power n subsets. All right. So as a set has 4 members. So how do you find out the number of subset? Is always we use the formula 2 power n, isn't it? So what is n? The number of members. So that is contained in A. So we have A, B, C, D. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So your n becomes 4. So 2 power 4 is 16. All right. So here we have to use the formula 2 power n, which gives us 16 subsets. All right. Yes, good. Let's move on to the next question. Cardinal numbers of the set A is equal to dash. Of set A, the set contains -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 is dash. So I have already told you about the cardinal numbers, the numbers in the set. All right. So one clue is already given to you. Let me see how many are going to give me the answers. Yes, many. Almost everyone has given me the right answers. So this doesn't require even 45 seconds. Perfect. The answer is 5. How? See, A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Cardinal number of a set is a number of elements. So I told you, the numbers. What is the number of elements in a set? So here the set has -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So if you count, it comes to 5. Therefore, n of A is equal to 5. All right. Yes, good. Let's move on to the next question. A is equal to C, O, V, I, D, 19, 2020. And we have B is equal to C, O, V, I, D, 19, 2021. Then what is B minus A? All right. So your 45 seconds is already started. Quickly give me your answers. By then I'll explain what is B minus A. In B, we should not have A. So take the set B, remove all that which has the content of A, then give me the answers. All right. So let's see how many are giving me the answers. Many says it is 2. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Think, work it out before you give me the answers. All right. So your 45 seconds is over. Yes, perfect. The answer is 2021. How? You see, just write the set containing A, write the set containing B. So what is B minus A? Just write down the content of B, and from that you remove A. All right. So here you have C, O, V, I, D. So remove that. And you also have 19. So remove that. All right. So there is nothing to remove after this. So what is the balance 2021 that you need to take? If it is A minus B, then you will get only 2020. All right, students. So good. Many have given me the right answers. All right. Let's quickly move on to the next question. A is equal to POLYTECHNIQ, Polytechnic. B is equal to POLYCET, 2020. What is B minus A? So I'm sure you all must be working out now and giving me the answers. 45 seconds is given to you. Quickly work out and give me the answers. All right. Your answers are being awaited. Shivakumar, Sai Charan, Gayatri, Amrita. All right. All right. Nikhil. Yes. Give me your answers quickly. I want everybody to participate in this. All these questions are taken from your past question papers. All right, students. So don't neglect or ignore any subjects. Everything carries equal marks and all chapters are equally important. All right. Yes. Now let's move on. See the answer. It is 20. 20. How? Like how we did the last sum. Let's do this also. Write down A, write down B. So in last, like how we did the last sum, here we are writing B minus A. So take B first. From that, you remove all the content, all the elements that are in A. All right. So here you have P, O, L, Y, T, E, C, H, P, O, L, Y, C. Okay. Still C you are removing. Right. And of course you have T also. And after that 2020 is not there. So you have to write down 2020. All right, students. Yes. Good. To those who have given me the right answers and others who made mistakes, please do correct it. All right. With this, we are moving on to the next question. If A is equal to A, B is equal to A comma B, C is equal to A comma B comma C, then A intersection B intersection C. All right. So what is A intersection B intersection C? So quickly give me your answers. It's very, very simple sum, in fact. So I'm sure the answers must be pouring. Yes, yes, yes. Kirtana, check your answer. Okay. Sai Charan. All right, all right, all right, all right. Let's see, let's see. Many are giving me the answers. Please work it out. And if you think you have any doubt, please note it down so that you can revise it later. Okay, with this, we are moving on to the answer. Yes, it is A. Many have given me the right answer as A. All right. See here you have A. Set A is A, B is A comma B, C is A comma B comma C. So A intersection B intersection C. So what is A intersection B is A. That intersection C. That intersection B is A comma B. And that intersection A comma B comma C. In other words, what is common in all set A comma B comma C, you can write it as an intersection as A. All right. So very good. Many have given me the right answers. Excellent. Others, please work it out and rectify your mistakes. All right. Yes. With this, we are moving on to the next question. The cardinal number of set A is equal to 1, 2, 4 is dash. Give me the answers. I'm giving you 45 seconds. Yes, your answers are pouring. Very good. Let's see how many have given me the right answer. Many have given me the same answer. Very good. Let's see the answer. The answer is 3 and many have given me 4 as the answer. Very good. Perfect. Good students. And before we move on to the next question, let's see what about the cardinal number. The number of distinct elements in a finite set is called cardinal numbers. All right. Yes, perfect. All right. See the next question. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is equal to 4, 5, 6, then what is A intersection B? A very simple question indeed. I'm sure all of you must be giving me the answer. I want everybody to give me this answer. Please, students, work it out. Only when you open up, you will know where you stand, isn't it? Let's see how many are giving me the answers. Okay. Anand has explained me by giving me the answer, including the options. Okay, you just have to give me the option, whether it is 1, 2, 3, or 4. All right. Perfect. All right. Very good, students. Perfect. Yes. So what is intersection? Common. Okay, so when we say A intersection B means what is common to A and B? So what is common to A and B? It is 4, 5. That is why your option is 4, 5. All right, see, the explanation is given down. All right, so I'm sure many of you would have understood this. Those who have not understood, please note it down. These are all very simple questions. You can see the year when this question was being added in the question paper. When this question came in the question paper is 2019. All right, students. All right. See the next question from the Venn diagram. All right. So from the Venn diagram. All right. So here the Venn diagram is given. So what you are supposed to find out is what is, one second, let me adjust it. All right. So what is, one second, let me adjust it. Let's move on to the, okay. So what is the question is they're asking us to find out B minus A. All right. So here we have the Venn diagram in which A, in A it is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and B it is 6, 7 and A intersection B is 4 and 5. All right. So 4 options are given and the first option is 1, 2, 3. Second option is 4, 5. Third option is 6, 7 and fourth option is none. All right. So here we are asked to find out what is B minus A. So we already know what is B minus A. So from B, whatever is the content of A that has to be removed and then the other elements has to be mentioned. All right, students. So here from B, so where you have 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever is the content in A. So 4, 5 is there in A. So after removing it, the balance is 6, 7. All right. All right. See the next question. If A is equal to A, B, C, D, then the number of subsets for A is dash. So we've already done this kind of question in today's class only. So use that and give me the answers. Very simple question, in fact. Work it out and let's see how many are giving me the answers. Okay. Nikhil, Bhavesh, Sidhu. Many are giving me variety of answers. Work it out and then tell me. All right, all right. Let's see the answer. All your 45 seconds is already done. The answer is 16. How it is 16? A is A, B, C, D. So what is n of A? You have 4 because you have 4 elements in A. So you're writing it as 4. So the number of subsets of A is 2 power n. So we just now discussed a few questions back how to find out the number of subset. We have a very clear-cut formula. It is 2 power n. So here 4 elements are there, namely A, B, C, D. So 2 power 4 is 16. All right, students, with this, we are moving on to the next question. From the diagram, estimate the sum of elements in A union B intersection C. All right, so what you have to estimate, you have to find out what is A union B. So one clue I can give you, union is you have to take up everything. All right. So intersection means whatever is common alone, you have to write it down. Yes. So I have given you a good clue to find out this answer. Let me see how many are going to give me the answers. Okay. Oppo A15 says the answer itself. Oh, no problem. Just give me the options alone. Work it out. Give me the options. I'm giving you 45 seconds to give your answers. All right. So please work it out by yourself. don't get the help of anybody, because in your exams, you are only going to face the question paper, isn't it? Yes, so your 45 seconds is over. Let's see the answer. Yes, it is option 3, that is 9. Perfect. Many has given me this option. A union B is, what is A union B? On the content of A and B. All right. So set A and set B. So here you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Right. And what is this? That is A union B. This intersecting C means what? These elements which are common to C. So what is the content of C? It is 2, 3, 4. All right. So 2, 3, 4 and 10. So what is common to this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 2, 3, 4, 10? It is nothing but 2, 3 and 4. All right. And so here they're asking the required sum. The required sum, you have to just answer 2, 3, 4. That is 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 9. All right, so excellent. Many have given me the right answers. With this, we are moving on to the next question. How many subsets the set P, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 will have? So this question was asked in the year 2018. So I have already given you the formula. So quickly work it out and give me the answer. Yeah, almost many have started giving me the answers. Yes, 2 power n. Again, I'm giving you the formula. With that, work out and give me the answers. Yes. So since it's a very easy question, I don't have to give you much time, isn't it? Yes. So let's see the answer. It is 16. Perfect. How? 2 power n. So how many elements are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. So 2 power 4 is 16. Very good, students. To all those who have given me the answers, perfect. I want everybody to make sincere attempt. Please work it out. Even if your answers comes to, if it turns out to be wrong, don't worry. This is a place where you can correct your answers. All right. With this, we are moving on to the next question. If n of A minus B is 5 and n of A intersection B is 2, then what is n of A? So this was also asked in the year 2018. Yes, so past question paper problems we are doing. So very important. So make a note of it. Your question is n of A minus B is given, n of A intersection B is given. Then what is n of A? Yes, so very simple. Many have started giving me the answers. Yes, many says it is 4. Okay, let's see. Option 4, option 4, option 4. Okay. All right, let's see the answer. Yes, it is option 4. How? Because n of A minus B is 5. N of A intersection B is 2. N of A is n of A minus B. You have to use this formula. N of A is n of A minus B, n of A intersection B, which is nothing but 5 plus 2. All right, so the answer is 7. Yes, good students. Let's move on to the next question. If A and B are 2 sets, then A minus B intersection B minus A is dash. All right, so your first option is A. Second option is, 2 options are given same, no problem. And third option is A delta B, and fourth one is null set. Let's see. Just work out and give me your answers. Which option is right? So let's see how many are giving me. Okay, many says option 4. Okay, fine. Yes, please work it out and give me the answers. Let's move on to the answer. Yes, it is null set. Perfect. Because whatever is the content of A minus B, it's the same thing, the common thing between this and that cannot be anything. It can be nothing. That is why we are giving the option as null set. All right, see the next question. The following Venn diagram design represented by C equals. So here you have A is 1, 2, 5, 6. B, it is 6, 5, 6. Okay, second option. Third option, we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Fourth option is 2, 5, 6. So please understand, the question is the following Venn diagram design represented by C. So we want to you to find out the element of C. Is it clear? All right, so find out the element of C. So 45 seconds is already started. Let's see how many. Yes, many have given me the right answer. Good. I think you all are in a very good form, is it? After writing your 10th standard exams, all your batteries are charged. Good students. Excellent. Yes. Let's see the answer. It is option 3. The content of C, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. See, the element of C is 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. See the next question. The shaded area in the figure is, what is it? Is it 1, A intersection B union C, A intersection B intersection C, or the third option A union B intersection C, or the fourth option A union B union C? All right, so quickly tell me the answer. All right. So from the given Venn diagram, the shaded region is A intersection B union A intersection C is A intersection B union C. All right. Yes, A intersection B union C. All right. Let's move on to the next question. If A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, C is 4, 5, 6, then what is A intersection B? A very simple question. This should not take much of your time. What is A intersection B? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Or is it none? Let's see how many are going to give me the answer. Many says it is C. Okay. Chitana, Nikhil, Lenovo, Naga, Vanilla. All right, let's see. Okay. Since many of you are giving me the answer as C, now let's quickly see. The answer is C, because A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is A intersection C? I mean A intersection B. The common elements of A and B, which is 4, 5, 6, and that is nothing but C. All right. Yes, perfect. See the next question. If n of A is 15, n of B is 10, n of A intersection B is 5, then what is n of A union B? All right. So the answer is also given to you. You have to just use the formula. What formula you have to use? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. All right. You just have to substitute the values 15 plus 10 minus 5, which is nothing but 20. 25 minus 5 is 20. All right, students. So I'm sure you would have understood. If you have forgotten the formula, please note it down and learn this formula. All right. So yes, see, the next question is, if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then A intersection B union C is dash. 4 options are given. Is it a null set? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? All right. So I'm waiting for your answers. 45 seconds are given to you to give me the answers. Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? So the answers are coming. Okay. All right. Soumya, Shiv Kumar, Nikhil. Gayatri, okay, let's see. Your 45 seconds are done. The answer is nothing but option 4, that is C. Okay. A subset B, B subset C, which implies A is a subset of C, isn't it? If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, it means that A is also a subset of C, right? So now here, A intersection B is A is a subset of C, which means that B union C is C. All right. So we are just using this formula. A intersection B union C is nothing but A union C, which is equal to C. Yes, a very simple and a clear explanation. All right. With this, we are moving on to the next question. If A is equal to X such that X, which is an element of N, comma 3 less than or equal to X, less than or equal to 6, then what is A? Okay. Is it option 1, 3, 4, 5, or is it option 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, or is it option 3, 4, 5, or is it option 4, 5, 6? So here it very clearly says it should be 3 or greater than 3, but it should be less than or equal to 6. Is it clear? So I have given you the hint. With this, I'm sure you must be able to give me the answers. It is option 2 because it says your X such that X, it is greater than or equal to 3. Okay. But it should be less than 6, but it can be equal to 6. So it can be 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Perfect, students. With this, we are moving on to the next question. If A is equal to X such that X is an even natural number. Okay, what is it? Even natural number, less than 12. And B is equal to X such that X is a prime number less than 12. Then what is an A intersection B? So quickly, first write down what are the elements of A. And then write down the elements of B. And then find out the common between A and B. Yes. So I'm sure you should have started by now. Give me the answers. I'm waiting for your answers. The chat box is open to you. Think and then give me the answer. Okay. So let's see. Yes, Soumya, Meghna, Shivakumar. Many have given me Pavan Sai, Charan, Kirtana, Nikhil. Okay. Before this, let's see the answer. It is 4. As many of you have given me the answer, it is option 4. Yes. How? So here you can see A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. All right, because it is an A is even natural number. And B, it says it should be a prime number, but it should be less than 12. So the elements are this. Now, what is common to these two is 2. Yes. So good students. Perfect. See the next question. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is 4, 5, 6, 7. What is A minus B? Write down A. So whatever is there in A, if the same elements are there in B, then cut it off. The balance should be the answer for A minus B. All right. So quickly work it out and give me your answers. We are running, in fact, out of time. So quickly give me your answers in the chat box. Let's see how many are giving me your answers. Okay, Gayatri, Pavan Sai, Rajeshwari. Okay. So simple question. It is 1, 2, 3. Because A minus B is, here you have A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is 4, 5, 6, 7. So remove 4, 5, which is there in B. The balance is 1, 2, 3, which is A minus B. Perfect. See the next question. Among the following, a null set is where N is a set of natural numbers. You have 4 options. X such that X is less than 5 and X is an element of N. X such that X square is 4, where X is element of N. Third option is x such that x square is x square plus 1 is equal to 0, where x is an element of n. Fourth option, x such that x is even prime. All right. So let's move on to the answers. It is none other than third one, x such that x square plus 1. Okay, is equal to 0, where x is an element of n. So here you can see the explanation because x is not set in this. All right. So see the next question. If A is a subset of B, then A minus B is dash. I think we have already done the sum. Earlier we got the same answer. It is null set. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. If n of A is 5, n of B is 5, and n of A union B is 8, then what is n of A intersection B? Yes, students. So the same kind of sum we did it already by using the formula. All right. So let's quickly work it out. Use the formula and give me the answer. Quickly put it in the chat box. Okay, it is 2. Many have given me the answers. See, the formula is n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. By substituting the values, we get 2 as the answers. Yes, perfect. See the next question. If A is equal to x such that x is an element of n, 1 is less than x less than 10, then n of A is dash. Okay. So what is n of A? 4 options are given, 3, 4, 8, and none. Quickly give me your answers. So you have to find out all the elements in n where x is greater than 1. Okay. And it should be the x is less than 10. All right. So let's quickly see the answer. It is 8 because what is A? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It should be less than 10. If it is less than or equal to 10, then probably you should take 10. But here it says less than 10, so you're taking only 9. So therefore, the content is, just count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is 8. N of A is 8. All right, see the next question. Identify the disjoint sets among the following: A minus B, A minus B, comma, B minus A minus B, comma, B minus A, comma, B, and the fourth option is none. All right, so quickly give me your answers. We are really running out of time. Let's see whether how many are giving me the answers. Nikhil says D, Kirtana. Okay. Many says option 1, 4. Many answers. It is none other than option 1. The disjoint sets is A minus B, comma, B minus A. All right. How? Here, see, you can just use this A minus B intersection B minus A is a null set, which implies A minus B, comma, B minus A are disjoint sets. All right. See the next question. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, then A intersection B union C is dash. Is it A, is it B, is it C, or is it a null set? Yes, students, quickly work it out and give me your answers. It's a very simple question. In fact, this kind of sum we've already done today only. Again, we revised this. Okay, many are giving me option 2, 4, 1, varieties. Don't give me varieties, work it out and think and then give me the answer. Your 45 seconds is almost done. All right, so let's see, the answer is A. How? Because A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, which means A is also a subset of C. All right, so A intersection B is A. A union C is A. A intersection B union C is A intersection B union A intersection C, which is where A intersection B is A intersection C is A. So A union A is A. All right, see, beautiful explanation is given. So if you want, you can quickly take down because such sums are very important and this has been asked in the year 2015. All right. Yes, let's move on to the next question. If A is equal to A such that X is an element of N, okay, 2 is less than or equal to X less than or equal to 7, which means 2 is less than or equal to X means X is greater than or equal to 2, okay, and it should be less than or equal to 7. Then what is A? Frame the elements of A very quickly. So since the answer was highlighted already, so let's move on to the answer. Yes, it is 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How? You can just quickly see X is greater than 2. All right. And it should be less than or it should be equal to 7. X is greater and equal to 2. So it can be 2 plus whatever, but it should be less than 7, but it can be equal to 7. All right. So with this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 should be the elements of A. All right. Let's move on to the next question. If A is equal to prime numbers less than 20, B is equal to whole numbers less than 10, then A minus B intersection B minus A is dash. So what do you need for this? You need to find out the elements of A, all prime numbers less than 20, and for B, whole numbers less than 10. Yes, quickly do it and give me your answer. 4 options, whether it is null set, mu, A, or the 4th option is B. Yes. So we are running out of time. Quickly give me your answers. Option 1. Many says it is option 1. Yes. How? Because A is given as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. The prime numbers less than 20 is this. And B is a whole number. Whole number means inclusive of 0. Okay. But less than 10. They does not say equal to 10. So if it is less than 10 means you should not take 10 till 9. So from this A minus B you're taking, B minus A you're taking, and the intersection part between these two is nothing. Therefore, you write it as a null set. All right? Yes. Fine. Excellent, students. So today, many of you gave me correct answers, and very happy indeed that it was totally participative management from your end. So we hope the same would continue in the forthcoming sessions also. So all the very best. And whatever we have learned, please do revise it in all the subjects that we do. Over to Chandrika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Gayatri ma'am. Yes, thank you, students. సో ఈరోజు ఏం టాపిక్ చెప్పారో అదంతా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. మీకు మంచి కాలేజ్లో అంటే ఇప్పుడు TSRJCలో మీకు తెలంగాణ గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్స్లో మీకు రావాలి సీట్, ఎలాగైనా అందులో మనం చదువుకోవాలి అన్న కుతూహలం ఉంటే గట్టిగా కష్టపడండి. డే 1 నుంచి చెప్పిన టాపిక్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఎప్పటికప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ డిస్కస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, తర్వాత చదవచ్చు, ఇంకా టైం ఉంది అని పోస్ట్పోన్ చేయొద్దు. ఫ్రమ్ టుడే ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ యువర్ హార్డ్ వర్క్. ఓకే, ఈ రోజు నుంచే ఏ టాపిక్ చెప్తారో ఆ టాపిక్ ని బాగా డిస్కస్ చేయండి. అండ్ రేపు కూడా మనకు సేమ్ 7:30కే మన క్లాస్ అనేది స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో బై 7:20, 7:25 ప్లీజ్ జాయిన్ ది సెషన్. లింక్ ఓపెన్ చేసి జాయిన్ అవ్వండి.